So under the formula menu there are many functions. So the functions you are interested to work, it is very easy to find. So first I'm going here. So under financial section, you can see these functions. So almost all financial functions are listed here. So under the math function, math and trig, here you can see the functions listed here. So if you are interested to work for a function that, like suppose you are interested to work the function db, so you don't need to go to that sections to find that one. So just click on equal sign and then just click on the letter D, and you can find the functions with D, all the functions with D. And here you can see the function db. Just click here, then you can work with this function. So like this you can work the functions as you like. So the functions that serves your purpose.